Coming up today, how to download Fortnite on your Android device when it says device not supported. Keep watching and find out how you can still download Fortnite. Yes, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on how to digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on your Android device when it says that it's not supported. So as you guys can see right there, if I just open the Epic Games app and then click on Fortnite, you'll see that for my device, it will say device not supported, right? If that's been happening to you as well, you want to close the app and you want to open a browser. So I'm just going to use my Samsung internet browser. Let's see where it is. It's right there. I'm going to open that, and then as you can see right there, I search for GSM Fix Fortnite. That's what you want to search for as well. And then you want to click on Downloads APK Fix. So right there you'll see Download Fortnite APK Fix, device not supported, and create Fortnite. You want to click on that download link from Fortnite, and it's then going to download a file. As you can see right there, it's downloading. I'll get back to you once that's done. And there you go. So next up, you want to click on it, and you then want to click on install. And right now it's going to install Fortnite. I'll get back to you once that's done. Okay, there we go. So Fortnite just installed, and I opened the app. Once you open it, they'll ask you if you already have an account or if you want to create a new account. So depending on if you have one or not, click on the right option for you. And then once you do so, it will actually take you to this page. You want to click on agree, and then it's going to install Fortnite on your device. You're simply going to wait for that. It's going to update and all of that. And then once all of that is done, you can actually open Fortnite, the real game. And there we go. So the game just started. Right now, I'm logging into my Fortnite account, my Epic Games account. And this is pretty much how you can get Fortnite on any device where it says device not supported. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments if it works. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.